I'll guide you through the process of contacting Western Union customer service to help you track a transfer, resolve a technical issue, or report a scam, all while getting you to a real human as quickly as possible. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Contacting support can be stressful when money is on the line, but Western Union offers several direct channels to assist you. If it's about a money transfer transaction, it's important to know that before you reach out, you should always have your 10-digit Money Transfer Control Number, MTCN, ready. This is the unique tracking number for your transaction and is the first thing an agent will ask for to locate your transfer. The fastest way to get help is directly through their official support page at westernunion.com/us/contact-us.html. Before jumping on a call, you can often save time by clicking through to the FAQ page to find answers to popular topics such as ID verification or payment status. If you prefer typing over talking, look for the Chat with Us button on that same page to start a live session with a support representative immediately. Alternatively, you can speak directly to a customer support agent if you need assistance with an online money transfer in the U.S. For general customer care, call +1 720-945-5350. If your issue is specifically regarding a money order, you can dial +1 720-945-9361. And for help with the website or app, the direct line is +1 720-945-9354. For TTY users, the dedicated number is 1-800-877-8973. In more urgent cases, such as suspected fraud or scam, you should call their specialized fraud line immediately at 1-800-448-1492. If you are an international customer, you can reach support by calling +1 809-200-7380 or +1 802-532-7382. If you are currently outside the United States, your best option is to click the Find a Location button. When prompted, click Allow to enable your browser to detect your location. This will automatically load the appropriate support page and local contact numbers for your specific city, state, or country. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.